Okay, so let's go over how to take one Facebook Live video, or it could be any type of video. It could be a pre-recorded video, and repurposing that video across several different platforms and several different types of media. So if you may be struggling in trying to figure out how to reach different audiences on different platforms, what to say to them, how to say it to them. And so I think that truly learning how to create one piece of content, and preferably video, and then using that video and breaking it down in different ways and putting it on different platforms is truly such an effective way to leverage your time so that you can, create one piece of content, put it everywhere, and then you can focus on selling real estate. So I'm going to break down 10 steps in order to take one piece of video and do exactly that. Okay, so the first step is obviously choose your topic, film your video. I think it's a great way to film your video live on your Facebook professional page, because then you can go ahead and take that video and turn it into an advertisement and get more video views and more eyeballs onto your piece of content. So let's say you choose your topic, film your Facebook live on your professional Facebook page. Once you're finished with that, you download that download that Facebook Live video, and then transcribe the audio of that video into text. So from there, you can also take that downloaded video, upload it to YouTube. That's step number 5. And then you'll take that transcribed audio into text, and you can convert that into a blog post. But you can also use that text for many different things. You could have it for social media swipes. You can use little snippets of the video and take out those knowledge pieces or those strong, powerful teaching points in your video and use it as quotes on your social media, use it for your captions. You can use it in many different ways. So transcribing that video and keeping it in one file is really important, because you can go back and take so many different valuable pieces from that later. So from the transcription, you can create a blog post, and then above your blog post, you can have your YouTube video. So your blog post can be a combination of your YouTube video, and then underneath it, your transcription, which is obviously edited, because transcription services are not always perfect. You do have to go back in and make sure that there's no typos, or sometimes they catch the audio incorrectly. And so you edited that. So that can be your blog post. So it's up on YouTube now. You have a blog post you can direct people to, because your blog is something that you own, and something that if other platforms go away, or if there's some type of glitch and everything gets deleted, you still have that blog post on your own platform that you own. So from there, step number 7 is you can take that video and upload it to IGTV, which then you can create a post on your Instagram grid advertising to that IGTV. And again, when you're creating the caption, let's say for your Facebook Live video, you can use that same caption on your YouTube video caption, and on your Instagram post and your IGTV caption as well. So you can really repurpose things and use them over different platforms, just to really entice people. You don't want to give away all the content that you're going to be sharing in the video, but definitely you want to be teasing people and attracting them into watching your full video. So after you've uploaded to IGTV, you can put little snippets on your story as well, and then advertise it to your Instagram grid, like I said. So step number 8, if you have a Facebook group, you can also upload that video into the Facebook group. And then from the transcription that you did earlier in step number 4, you can, like I said, take little snippets, take quotes, take important pieces of knowledge out of that video, turn it into actual just social media posts on your Instagram. You could also upload this into into LinkedIn if you use that. And the final step is to take that video, grab a screenshot of, the video title, and then put that into an email and email your email list subscribers. So by doing this, you're covering all the bases. You're covering Facebook, Instagram, potentially LinkedIn, YouTube. And I don't want you to worry so much about, people are going to hear the same thing over and over again, because people, first of all, need to hear the same thing over and over again for it to sink in. But also not everybody's going to see your content across all platforms. Some people are hanging out on Facebook more, Instagram, LinkedIn, your email, but also they're not always seeing what you're putting out there. So even if you're putting something on Facebook, people aren't going to see it. Same with Instagram, same with YouTube. And a lot of people aren't opening your emails. People are busy. They have short attention spans. And with the way the algorithm works, people are not just naturally seeing every single thing that you put out there. So don't worry about being everywhere too often, because actually that's a great thing for your brand. And this is an excellent way to create one piece of content, develop a system, and you can even hire a VA to do this as well, where you're creating one piece of content and you're spreading it across all different platforms to really appeal to where your ideal client is hanging out. And so that's my video for today. If you got value from this, share it with another realtor that you think would benefit from it as well. And if you haven't grabbed my free report, go ahead and grab it in the link below. It's the 3 ways to generate quality leads online. So I hope you got value from this. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.